I have just glued up 4 pieces of pine together and clamped it, and I think I will try and make a bowl on the lathe out of this, which I haven't tried before, but I'll have to wait till that dries, so that'll be at least tomorrow, Saturday, and then we'll put that on the lathe and see if we can carve a bowl out of it. I've decided while I'm letting those pieces dry there, I'll chuck this log on that I found the other day and see if we can see how that turns up anyway, at least. So I'll just tighten this up, get it ready to go. We'll give her a whirl and see how she turns. That's this. In here. Get my starting position. Pretty good. It's got bark on it, so I'll be interested to see how that comes off. That's tight, that's tight, that's tight. It looks like I'm going to have to take the bark off first. I don't know. There's a bit of bark on there, as you can see though. I'll take it down to the bark and then see how that looks. Just going to move the guide rail in. Texture not bad. A lot harder underneath than on top. So yeah, I'll continue with that. I might just take that all the way down. I don't know what sort of timber it is. It's very soft there though, so that's a lot harder there. We'll take that down and see how it goes. There's actually some nice coloration in there. Let's have a look. Not too shabby at all. Looks good. Looks a bit like cypress actually. It's not bad. You can see the difference from the start to the finish there. Well, that's bloody beautiful. Well, yeah, I'll finish that off and we'll come back and see if we can make something out of it. It's actually come up quite well. You can see it's a bit drier on the ends, and that was chattering a bit. A couple more splits than the middle, which is still a bit moist. But yeah, she came up quite good. Don't know what I'm going to make out of it, but I think it's something, I suppose. It's also amazing how many wood chips you get off this. This is just off that small piece of wood. It's all the bark and stuff come off there. It's actually quite a bit. I better have a bit of a sweep up, I think.